Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, we are traveling to India. So for that, we are actually on our way to Toronto Premium Outlets because we want to buy some gifts for our family members and friends. And I think it's like a half an hour drive. We rented a car for this, and we also have Deepak today with us.
And Saransh.
And Saransh. So Saransh, do you have anything in mind for today? Like,
I'm not gonna buy anything for myself, it's just for the family and friends. That's it.
yeah.
And Deepak also has to buy for his family.
We all have a big list. Hopefully we should all get our stuff. And I hope there are no lineups as well because it's a long weekend. So I'm sure it's going to be crazy, but let's hope for the best. So guys, it's my first time here. And the stores look so huge. And I hope I get everything because I only have today to do all of this work. So we are waiting in the line.
Yeah.
Our first store and our first line. So guys, it's 60% off here. That's crazy. Just bought this for Saransh's sister.
Yeah, I did a quick FaceTime with my sister and it's done.
And now we're going to Tory Burch. And yeah, there is a line, but it's not a long one. So we should get inside soon. So I've taken this for my sister. Can you see the crowd here? It's crazy, and even I'm going crazy looking at all the stuff. Like all these deals that these stores have, I'm so tempted to buy things for myself, but no, I gotta control because it's only for family. But now let's go to the next one. We have to go to Coach to get a bag for my mom. Let's go. Crazy lineup.
Oh, there's a huge lineup. We have to wait for at least 45 minutes in the line.
Saransh, we are finally going to India.
Finally, super excited.
Now I think I'm feeling it a little more after buying all these gifts that we are going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels amazing to be going back to India after 2 years.
Yeah.
Almost 2 years.
Yeah. And guys, this is a really good place. If you're in Canada and you're going back to India to get gifts and everything, there are a lot of brands. You don't really have to go to all big brands. There are also medium range brands as well and higher than all these brands that I'm showing you to. So great options for everyone. So you can always come here and check it out. So literally me and Saransh, we are in different stores because there are huge lines everywhere and we can't be together because otherwise we won't be able to buy all this stuff. In every store, like look at this guys. Literally running around. We are super hungry. We have not eaten anything since morning. We have to take a break. And we found this food truck and we're going to have kathi rolls.
Chicken tikka kathi roll and one lamb kebab kathi roll.
So we ordered kathi rolls from this place called Kathi Roll Express and we ordered chicken tikka and chicken seekh kebab. Let's try this one. It looks really good.
How's the taste?
Good.
Nice?
Yep.
Cool. I'm too tired now. It's 5 o'clock, but I finally managed to grab something for my brother-in-law. Got it from Armani Exchange.
Saransh is speaking to my brother and trying to figure things out.
This is a sweatshirt.
We'll take this one for Ilaya baby. So we've taken for mom. Really confused between this and this. This was Saransh's mom. I think this is more elegant for her.
Yeah.
And confused between
I love this one.
yeah. And also for my dad. He was actually looking for some crossbody bags earlier and I just found this one. I think it's good, right?
This is pretty cool, yeah.
Yeah. Let's take this. And also Saransh.
And also for
Saransh wanted as well.
I love it. I really want this. Looks cool, right?
Yeah.
Peekaboo is still confused.
I'm confused.
Confused.
What to do?
Both are beautiful. Peekaboo confused as always. Both are beautiful.
This is difficult, okay?
Yeah.
Done.
Done, finally.
There is a huge line for all these big brands. Gucci, Prada.
People are actually buying Prada as if they're giving it for free.
Yeah, huge lineups. It's crazy. Indo-Chinese food for which I'm going to dining is also open, but I think we should check out the patio.
Yeah, let's sit outside.
We are here at the Tibet kitchen and I'm super hungry.
There are so many options. What do I eat? I think we should start with starters, momos, and some drinks as well. I'm gonna have beer.
So for our appetizers, I've ordered chili fries, chicken pakora, that would be something interesting to see how it is, and also our favorite momos. And I ordered Delhi momos. Like looking at the name, I was like, okay, this is going to be good for sure. Cheers, Saransh.
Cheers.
Wow, this looks amazing. I know I ordered a lot of food for us, but it's okay. I'm super hungry.
Let's dig in.
This is so yummy. So if you're craving for some sizzling momos, you need to try this. So good. Wow. They're like honey chili garlic fries that you get in India. Exactly that.
Best part is the pakora. We never used to order pakora. Like we used to go to so many restaurants, but we have never ordered a pakora. But it's a great starter with my beer, and it's yummy. Don't forget to eat it with this chutney. It's a game changer, guys. Definitely must try.
So we did manage to finish the appetizers, but now it's time for mains. And we ordered Hakka noodles as well as chili chicken. I would highly recommend trying their dry chili chicken because personally that's what I like. So flavorful.
It's good food, right? I can't let it waste.
We're packing it up.
Yeah, let's just quickly pack it up and go. We have a lot of stuff to do.
Another one, and I think the last one. Hopefully. Whoa! I've received all the other packages. There were a few things which I had to order online, and I think I have received it all. And let me see what all I have got. This one is for my baby Ilaya. Oh my god. Look at this. These are all the onesies that my sister actually asked me to buy for Ilaya, and honestly I was so confused what to buy for Ilaya because I've never shopped for a baby. Like she's going to be 1 year old very soon, but then my sister asked for a few things and then I was like, okay, this saved me because now I can obviously gift all of this to her, which my sister asked for. By the way, if you don't know who Ilaya is, so she is my niece. My elder sister delivered a baby girl last year and she is going to be 1 year old very soon. Can you imagine? And that's when I'm going to see her. That's so bad, but at least no complaints now because I'm going to see her finally. And this is her birthday dress. Look at this, such a pretty blushed color for a 1 year old baby. This is for my brother-in-law. He wanted some kind of wallets and we ordered that. And again, it's easy, you know, whatever they've asked for, we are just going to gift them. Easy. So that's one advice to you as well. So if you're confused, you can just ask them what they want, right? Anything specific. If they don't tell you, then you can buy whatever you want. But if they tell you, just give that as a gift. And the next one is, what is this? Oh, this is actually for my dad, JBL. And also for my mom, I've taken AirPods because she doesn't have like wireless headphones, and I was like, okay, this could be a perfect gift for her. Same for Saransh's mom. So that's all of it, I guess. I just need to check all of my orders if I've received everything. And oh, I just forgot one thing. I need gift wrapping paper, the packing paper, and also some gift bags so that I can give all of this properly, not just like this, right? So I think for that, let's go to Dollarama. Let's take this.
Yeah, let's take gift bags also.
This is for baby Ilaya, baby girl.
There's one more. There's one a DHL one also.
I think this from DHL.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Hopefully this should be the last one. So
So that's it, guys. I really hope you liked today's vlog of shopping, and there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So I'll end the vlog here, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to see more of such fun videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.